Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to evaluate this infinite series. We have the sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of n divided by 5 to the power of n. And if you check my thumbnail, I said there that I did this within seconds. And that is true. Now, here is how we're going to evaluate this. Let us remember that 1 divided by 1 minus x, which is an infinite geometric series, equals sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of x to the power of n. Right? Okay, now we're going to differentiate both sides. So here we have d dx of 1 over 1 minus x. This will be equal to the partial derivative with respect to x of sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of x to the power of n. Now here we're going to make use of the quotient rule, right? Remember that the d dx of these two functions of x, g of x divided by the h of x, this equals here g prime of x multiplied by the h of x minus g of x multiplied by the h prime of x, then divided by h of x squared, right? Okay, now from the left, when you differentiate this, or when you find the derivative of 1 divided by 1 minus x, we're going to have 1 divided by 1 minus x squared, and this equals here the partial derivative with respect to x. That's going to be sum from 0 to infinity, the power here, which is n, multiplied by x raised to the power of the power minus 1, right? Okay, now let's just take note of something like this. When we have a raised to the power of m minus n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. So here we have 1 divided by 1 minus x squared. This equals sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of n multiplied by x to the power of n, and here divided by x to the power of 1, which is x. Multiply both sides by x. From the left here, we're going to have x divided by 1 minus x squared, and this is going to be here. This we cancel this. Sum from 0 to infinity of n multiplied by x to the power of n. Now let us record that the given sum equals this, right? So here we're going to let x exactly equals 1 over 5, right? So when you let x equals 1 over 5 here, we get from the right sum from 0 to infinity of n. If x equals 1 over 5, that is going to be divided by 5 to the power of n. This will be equal to 1 over 5 divided by 1 minus 1 over 5 squared, which is equal to 1 over 5 divided by 1 minus 1 over 5 is 4 all over 5, and when you square that, that is 16 over 25. This equals 1 over 5, like this, divided by 16 all over 25, and from there, this equals 1 over 5 times, then the reciprocal 25 all over 16, right? And from here, this equals 5 over 16, and this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.